Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS.
Why does Greenland look the same size as Africa on some maps, but tiny on others? The answer lies in map projections. In this video, we'll explore why projections matter in GIS, what they distort, and which ones to use for your projects. Let's dive in. The Earth is a three-dimensional sphere, but maps are two-dimensional. To represent the Earth on a flat surface, we use map projections. Think of peeling an orange. Flattening it will stretch, tear, or distort parts of the peel. Projections are how we manage this distortion. Projections always distort one or more of these four properties: shape, area, distance, and direction. Let's look at some examples. Mercator projection, which is conformal, preserves shape but distorts size, especially near the poles. It's perfect for navigation. Sailors love it because straight lines on a Mercator map are true compass bearings. But look, Greenland looks massive compared to Africa, even though it's much smaller. Gall-Peters projection, which is equal area, preserves area but distorts shape. It stretches land near the equator and squashes it near the poles. It's great for comparing land sizes. Want to highlight the real size of Africa compared to other continents? Gall-Peters is the way to go. Azimuthal projection preserves direction from a central point, but distorts everything else, depending on distance from the center. It's used for flight maps, plotting the shortest route between 2 points on a globe. In GIS, the projection you choose depends on your analysis. Here's a quick guide. Navigation and routing, Mercator or Azimuthal. Land area comparisons. Go for an equal area projection like Albers equal area. Global data visualizations, Robinson or Winkel triple, both balance distortions and look visually appealing. Projections work within Coordinate Reference Systems or CRS, which define how your data aligns with the Earth. If your map layers don't line up, it's often a CRS mismatch. Always check your CRS. It's like making sure your GPS is synced before a road trip. Map projections are the lens through which we see the world in GIS. They're not perfect, but they help us make sense of our planet. So next time you use a map, ask yourself, what's being preserved and what's being distorted? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with GIS.